Is there a default password for voicemail on Android devices?
Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. In this video, we'll be discussing whether there is a default password for voicemail on Android devices. Voicemail is a useful feature that allows you to receive and listen to voice messages when you are unable to answer a call. So, let's dive in and find out if there's a default password for voicemail on Android.
Understanding voicemail on Android.
Before we address the question at hand, let's first understand what voicemail is on Android devices. Voicemail is a service provided by your mobile network operator that allows callers to leave voice messages when you're unable to answer their call. These messages are then stored on your mobile network servers and can be accessed later when you have the opportunity to listen to them.
Voicemail passwords on Android.
Now, let's talk about voicemail passwords on Android devices. In general, Android devices do not have a universal default password for voicemail. The password for accessing voicemail is usually set up by the user or provided by the mobile network operator. It's important to note that this can vary depending on the specific Android device model and the mobile network you're using.
Setting up and changing voicemail password.
To access your voicemail on an Android device, you will typically need to set up a voicemail password. This password ensures that only you can access your voicemail messages. The process of setting up a voicemail password may vary slightly depending on your device and mobile network operator. However, here's a general guide on how to set up and change a voicemail password on an Android device. 1. Open the phone app on your Android device. 2. Tap on the menu or More button, usually represented by 3 dots or lines, located at the top right corner of the screen. 3. Look for and select the Settings option from the menu that appears. 4. In the Settings menu, scroll down and find the Voicemail or Voicemail Settings option. 5. Tap on Voicemail or Voicemail Settings to access the voicemail settings. 6. Depending on your device and mobile network operator, you may find an option to set up or change your voicemail password. 7. Follow the prompts provided to set up or change your voicemail password. You may be required to enter and confirm a new password. Remember to choose a strong and memorable password for your voicemail to ensure the security of your messages. To conclude, there is no default password for voicemail on Android devices. The password for accessing voicemail is typically set up by the user or provided by the mobile network operator. It's important to set up a strong and memorable voicemail password to protect your messages from unauthorized access. If you're unsure about how to set up or change your voicemail password, it's recommended to reach out to your mobile network operator for assistance. That's it for today's video. We hope you found this information helpful. If you have any further questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.